So how to make Xiaomi Redmi 14C to run a bit faster. You go to settings, you click on about phone, and then you click a couple of times on OS version like this until you'll see that it's saying that you're now a developer. In my case, I already did the steps and it's saying no need, you're already a developer. Then you go back and from search you type devel and you'll see developer options. You click on it and then from this window you just scroll down quite a lot until you reach window animation scale. By default it's 1x. You need to set it to 0.5x. Transition animation scale the same, from 1 to 0.5x. And animator duration scale, you need to turn it off. By default it's 1x, you just turn it off. You don't need to save, you can just close the window. And you'll notice that the apps are being launched faster, there is no delay. Usually because the animation there is like a 1 second delay. Since this is a budget phone, it's a bit slow, and this can actually help. And other than that, you can also enable Lite Mode. You go to settings, scroll down to home screen, and from home screen you have by default maybe classic, and you can click on Lite Mode, then you close, and now the phone will apply Lite Mode, which looks like this. The icons are a bit bigger. However, the phone is a bit faster, and to disable it, if you want that, you can also click settings, and you will see here the first option, Lite Mode is on. Tap to turn it off, just tap once, turn off, and you will see your initial home screen as it was. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can increase the speed a bit on Xiaomi Redmi 14C. I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.